Welcome back. Another story we're tracking closely this morning here on India Today is what's happening in Bengal. For months, we've been seeing post-poll violence being talked about in the state. And now, the Calcutta High Court is all set to deliver its verdict on this issue. The Calcutta High Court has been hearing this matter, particularly because several petitions had in fact been filed in May before the court. And they'd set up a 5-judge bench to go ahead and hear this particular case. So let's tell you what really is expected. The judgment will be delivered at around 11 this morning. On August 3rd, the 5-member bench of the Calcutta High Court reserved its verdict on the PILs. The BJP had claimed that following TMC's victory in polls, many incidents of violence were perpetrated on its cadre. Not only that, the BJP claims the TMC hooligans were behind the arson at the BJP party office in the state. The TMC on its part has denied all the allegations and has claimed that the BJP's charge is absurd as well as baseless. The NHRC report had very clearly said that all the post-poll violence that had broken out was premeditated. The TMC has already dismissed this particular report, saying that it's biased and baseless. We'll have to see if the court decides to take cognizance of that particular report, and also says that yes, this violence was premeditated. Let's take this across to Prema Rajaram. She's joining us live from Kolkata with more details on this. Prema, good morning. Today that crucial hearing will happen. The verdict really will come in from the Calcutta High Court. Just run us through what the hearings have been like. Has the court taken cognizance of the NHRC report?
Well, Akshata, the court has taken cognizance of the NHRC report which was submitted, and this after the NHRC team was also attacked, and they were probing the incidents of post-poll violence in the state, which is when they were attacked in Jadavpur area. The final report of the NHRC submitted to the court states that the grievous crimes should be tried outside the state and by the CBI, where other cases should be tried by a court-monitored special investigation team. And also, as far as the state is concerned, they have opposed the charges and said that the cases which have been mentioned in the NHRC report, for some of them, suo motu cognizance was taken by the police. However, when it comes to the post-poll violence cases, even after the report was submitted, many other cases did come forward, but the court did not take those cases. So various PIs clubbed into one, and it would be everybody is waiting and watching to see what the outcome will be, because of course the ruling party and the state government has been opposing the fact that there has been post-poll violence and said that it is politically motivated. Back to Akshita.
Right, Prema, thank you for those details. We'll be tracking closely what really emerges from the Calcutta High Court. 11 issues when we're expecting the verdict.